Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do the Kent Clark bitmoji on Snapchat. So let's go to Snapchat. Okay, I'm in Snapchat. So what you have to do, just tap on your profile image. Okay, so this is my bitmoji. Okay, let me walk you through my bitmoji so you can just copy it. Okay, not selfie, just go to avatar. Okay, now let's go to hairstyle. Okay, let me scroll down. Okay, choose this one. Color, choose the third one. Okay. Okay, choose this one. Then mustache, no mustache. Okay, no accessories. Okay, skin tone, choose this one. Eyes, go with this one. Eyelashes, no need. Distance of eye, make it maximum. This one, keep medium. Eye tone, I'm keeping green. Eyebrow, go with this one. Color, choose the third one. Nose, choose this one. Okay. Head size, this one. Okay, this one on fourth. Lip, head size keep in 4. This not required. Not required. Accessories not required. Wrinkles, smile line not required. Body type, choose the second one. Okay, once you are done, hit the save button. Then you can go to wardrobe. Okay, go to search. Here you can make filter and choose this one. Filter search and choose this one. On trouser, select this one. Shoes, select this one. Okay, now I'll show you wardrobe. In wardrobe, what you have to do, go to the search section. Here, filter, search and blouse. Then apply. Then scroll down. Till you find something with bow. Okay. Okay. From bitmoji fashion, select this one. Then go to trouser. In trouser, what you can do, just tap on filter, select color black, apply, then choose from bitmoji. Okay, I went with this one. Then go to shoes. Shoes also, filter, select black, apply, then scroll down. We will choose again from bitmoji. Okay, choose this one. Then socks, also choose something black. Okay, I went with Nike. Then go to food. Here you can filter. You can select black, apply, and scroll down. Yeah, I went with this one. Okay. Then go to glasses. I went with this one. Okay, once you selected all, you can hit save and done. You got your Kent Clark bitmoji. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get your Kent Clark bitmoji. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get your Ken Clark bitmoji. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.